Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone to our lesson for today. For the third intermediate grade, our subject is English language. From the book Super Gold 6. For the second semester of this year, our lesson is Unit 2. So it's Super Gold 6, Unit 2, Listening, Pronunciation and Conversation. This presentation is prepared by Bushra Al-Sab'i. Thank you very much, teacher Bushra, and it will be presented by me, Sultan Al-Shahrani. So, at first, thank you very much all of you for being with me. Really, I'm happy to see you. And the second thing, I want to make sure that you are ready to begin our lesson. So, are you ready to begin our lesson? So, those are our objectives for today. In this lesson, we are going to pronounce the vowel sound a in should and must. Okay. Number 2, listen for specific information in a conversation about driving. Number 3, practice a conversation about the backseat driver. Okay, at first of all, we have a warm-up, and it says, what can you learn at this center? What can you learn at this center? Can you see it? This is the center that he's talking about, Honda Safety Driving Center, and you can see it from here. Driving. Excellent. Safe driving. Beautiful. Excellent driving. So, what can you learn at this center? We can say driving. Driving safely. Very nice. Beautiful. Excellent. Excellent. Very nice. So now let's begin with the pronunciation. Okay. It says listen. Notice the vowel sound of a in should and must. Then they are pronounced quickly. Then, okay, pronounce them quickly. You should, okay, you should obey the driving laws. You shouldn't pass on the right. You must be 18 to get a license. You mustn't go over the speed limit. So I want you to listen to the sound here between sh and l. Should. Should. Okay, this sound, O and U together. Shouldn't. Shouldn't. And I want you to listen here to this sound, which is it's written U, but the sound is It's just like this. This is the sound. This is the symbol of the sound. Must. Must. Mustn't. Mustn't. Okay? Very nice. Beautiful. So, next we have a conversation between the father and George. George and his father. Listen. I want you to listen. Then we will do the exercise, the questions together. George, I want you to drive slowly and carefully. And put in your seat belt. We have plenty of time. George, what time is your flight, Dad? Father, at 6 p.m. George, that's in 3 hours. You have 2 extra hours. The trip to the airport is less than an hour. So, the first question. How does the father want George to drive? How does the father want George to drive? What do you think? Excellent. Slowly and carefully. Beautiful. Want George to drive slowly and carefully. Beautiful. Thank you very much. Excellent. That's right. The second one. Okay, I want one of you. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think we will do it together, the exercise together later. So this one is slowly and carefully. Excellent. Slowly and carefully. Number 2. What should George do before he starts the car? What should George do before he starts the car? Excellent. To put the seat belt. Beautiful. To put the seat belt. Excellent. That's right. Okay, those are the beautiful answers that you gave me. Excellent. Thank you very much. Okay, let's continue. The father. This is the continuous of the conversation, okay? You should always arrive at least 2 hours before departure. You might run into traffic at this time of day. Why are you taking this road? George, because it's quicker. Okay, we have a question. What does the father say about the time to arrive at the airport? What do you think? What does the father say about the time to arrive at the airport? Excuse me? Can you hear me? Okay, the departure 2 hours before the airport, 2 hours before the departure. Beautiful. Excellent. So we can say he says that you should always arrive at the airport 2 hours before the departure. This is very important. Okay, to arrive at the airport 2 hours before the departure. Beautiful. Excellent. Okay, let's continue. Father, you can't be serious. You should use the highway. It's faster because it's more direct. Turn right at the next traffic light. Hey, don't go so fast. Slow down. George, Dad, the speed limit here is 70 kilometers per hour, and I'm doing 60. Father, be careful. You almost hit that car. You have to watch out for traffic. Okay. Departure, yes. Okay, when the flight or the airplane, when the airplane wants to go somewhere, let's say wants to go to Riyadh. So the first thing, the airplane should be at the departure. You know, the departure to go take off. We can say take off. It's the same meaning as taking off. So the departure is taking off at the beginning. Okay, is it understood, Ibrahim? Excellent, very nice. I am happy that it's clear for you. Excellent. Okay, we have another question. What must George watch out for? What do you think? What must George watch out for? Excellent, beautiful. Traffic, yes it is. So George must watch out for traffic. Watch out for traffic. Okay. So we have a question here, a small one. Your ending. Okay, this is your ending. What do you think George's response is? What do you think? Number one, okay, Dad, you know the first rule of safety. Don't talk to the driver. Number two, okay, Dad, you drive. Number three, Dad, why don't you get a cab? Number four, maybe you have another idea. So what do you think? Number two, Rayyan, he said number two. Okay, Dad, you drive. Yes. If you are feeling that there is a problem with the street, the traffic, you have to get back the car to your father. Excellent. Someone said number two. Okay, Dad, you know the first rule of safety. Don't talk to the driver. Excellent. This is very important. You don't have to talk to the driver. It's the first rule. Okay? Very nice. Beautiful. Let's see what do we have. We have match, we have phrases, 3 phrases, and meanings. So we want to choose for each phrase of them the meaning that's related to this phrase. Okay? For example, you can't be serious. What do you think the meaning, which one is the meaning of you can't be serious? What do you think? Which one? Very nice. So, okay, I want one of you now to write down the number. Who can do it? Okay, Ibrahim. Let's go this time. This time, Ibrahim Sheikhun. Okay, go ahead, Ibrahim. Ibrahim, I gave you the pen. You can write it down. Yes, exactly. Not the highlighting. I want the pen. You can use the pen or the text. The pen or the text, as you like. Oh, you linked it together. You match it. Very nice. Very nice. Excellent. Yes, we don't have numbers. So this is beautiful. Excellent. Excellent, Ibrahim. That's right. The first one is done. Very nice. Thank you, Ibrahim. Let's go to the second one. Hey. When someone says, hey, what does it mean? What do you think? Who wants to do it? Okay, let's go. Ahmed Yasin, let me just find your name, Ahmed. Yes. Okay, do it, Ahmed. What do you think about hey, Ahmed Yasin? You can do it. Okay. Okay, for all of you, just to remind you, you can find these on the left. So if you want the pen to draw maybe, you can click on this, then you can draw whatever you want. If you want to write words, so you want to use the text, you have to click here, then click to the place that you want to write on, then write. Okay, so now you have to use the pen. Okay, you don't have to write anything. So it's with the pen. Go ahead, Ahmed. Excellent, very nice. Excellent, beautiful. So when someone says hey, okay, it means used to attract someone's attention. Okay, so the last one, I'm doing 60. Who wants to do it? Okay, Ahmed or Ayman. Azzuddin, I'm looking for your name, Ayman. Okay, Ayman. This time, Ayman. Okay, go ahead, Ayman. Ayman, you have the pen now. You can do it. No, not this one, Ayman. Okay, Khalid, you can do it now. Let me just give you the pen. Here's the pen. Go ahead. Excellent. Very nice. Beautiful. That's right. Excellent. Very nice. So when we say I'm doing 60, it means I'm driving 60 kilometers per hour. Okay? Yes, excellent. Very nice, Khalid. Beautiful. Thank you very much. Those are the beautiful answers that you gave me before. It's the same. Okay, now this is the summary. Okay, we want to revise our lesson together. So the vowel sound of a, okay, Khalid, you don't have to do anything. So this is the summary. As we said, the vowel sound of a. For example, who can give me an example? We talked about 2 examples. What is it? 2 words with the vowel sound of a. For example, should. Excellent. Yes, it is. Should. Okay. And the second one, what is it? Must. Excellent. Beautiful. Those are the two examples that we discussed before. It has the sound, the vowel sound of a. Okay? Like this one. This is the sound. The second one, learn some rules and advices about driving from the conversation. So what do you think? Who can give me a rule? Give me 2 or 3 rules that we learned before about driving. For example, avoid traffic. Beautiful. As possible as you can. What else? Pay attention to commander. Okay. Pay attention. Excellent. Pay attention. Very nice. Okay, and you mustn't talk on the phone. Excellent. Yes, of course. You mustn't. Beautiful. I love when you use you mustn't. Mustn't. Just like shouldn't. You mustn't talk on the phone while driving. You must not talk to the driver. Beautiful. This one is good. You must not talk to the driver. You mustn't talk to the driver. Look at the speed. Beautiful. Keep it with the limits. Keep it with the limit. For example, if it's 60, don't go above 60. Keep it down. Excellent. Very nice. Beautiful. So you must wear, this is the most important thing, wear the seat belt. You have to wear the seat belt. You have to wear the seat belt. Beautiful. And the last thing that we discussed before is learn meanings of some phrases like I'm doing 60. So when you say I'm doing 60, what does it mean? What do you think? What does it mean? I'm going 60. Very nice. I'm driving 60, less than 60 meters. 60 kilos. Sorry, 60 kilos per hour. Very nice. And what do you think about hey? When I say or you say hey to someone, what does it mean? Very nice. To pay attention, grab attention. Beautiful. Excellent. And there's a third thing that we talked about. You can't be serious. When I talk to you and I'm saying you can't be serious, what does it mean? When I say you can't be serious, something unbelievable. Very nice. Surprising. Surprising. Something is surprising. Very nice. Beautiful. Amazing student. Brilliant. Really brilliant student. Thank you very much for being with me today. Maybe if you have a question, you want to say something, it's your time now. Go ahead. What do you think? Do you have something to say? Do you have a question? You are so welcome. Amin, Riyadh, you are so welcome. You too, Isra. Thank you very much. Okay, really, I'm happy to hear that. Beautiful, excellent. I'm sending someone's. You use should and must when you want to do something. So if you want your friend to go with you, you should say, you must go with me. You should go with me. So he have to do this thing, okay? Very nice, beautiful. So I hope I see you next time. Very important. Really, I want to see you next time. And goodbye, everyone.